Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video, pag-usapan natin is implicit differentiation. So, implicit differentiation, basically, pagka sinabi sa atin implicit differentiation, we are getting the derivative of a function with y as a variable also. So, meron tayong mga scenarios. For example, we have x cubed minus 2xy minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. No? And gusto natin kuhanin yung derivative with respect to y. Pero, we also have y here as a variable nung ating equation. No? So, what can we do? How can we get the derivative of this function? No? So, first things is we can just basically isolate y, no? Pwede natin isolate na lang yung y, no? So, sabihin natin, magiging x cubed minus 2xy minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So, lipat natin sa right side yung x cubed and minus 6. So, magiging negative 2xy minus 3y is equal to 6 minus x cubed. And then, factor out natin yung y. So, y times negative 2x minus 3 is equal to 6 minus x cubed. Okay? And then, y is equal to 6 minus x cubed all over negative 2x minus 3. Okay? Or pwede natin sabihin para mas maganda, this is x cubed minus 6 over 2x plus 3. Okay? And now, we can differentiate this, no? We can differentiate this. So, this is y equals x cubed minus 6 over 2x plus 3. And madali na lang kunin yung derivative na ito. Tama? This is just the quotient rule. Okay, so low, d high minus high d low over low squared. So low, 2x plus 3. D high is 3x squared. Minus high, x cubed minus 6. D low is just 2 all over low squared. That is 2x plus 3 all squared. Okay? So this is the first way that we can do it. No? So just isolate y if possible. Okay? Kung kaya naman natin na isolate yung y. Pero, paano kung hindi natin kaya? No? Hindi natin kaya i-isolate yung y. So, what we do is think of y as a differentiable function of x. No? So, what do we mean by that? Yun yung kapag kukuha tayo ng derivative ng y, magiging derivative siya na dy over dx. Okay, so let's take the same example. So, we have y equals x cubed minus 2xy minus 3y minus 6. Okay? So, kunin natin yung derivative. So, each term, pwede natin kuhanan ng derivative. Tama? So, y prime is, derivative ng x cube is just 3x squared. Minus, derivative ng 2xy. So, meron tayo ditong product, no? So, pwede natin siya i-separate into 2x and y. Tama? So, kunin natin yung derivative. So, this is product rule. So, minus 2x, tas derivative ng y is dy over dx. Plus, derivative ng 2x is just 2 times copy natin yung right side which is just y. Okay? Minus, derivative ng 3y is just 3 dy over dx. No? So, pag nakakita kayo ng y, derivative niya is dy over dx. Minus 6, so that is minus 0. Okay? And now, we isolate dy over dx. Okay? So, this is equal to 0. Okay? So, this will now become 3x squared minus 2x dy over dx minus 2y minus 3 dy over dx equals 0. No? So, magiging 3x squared minus 2y is equal to 2x plus 3 times dy over dx. Okay? So, alam natin yung value ng y. Tama? So, from our previous na na-isolate, that is x cubed minus 6 over 2x plus 3. No? So, let's substitute that. This will become 3x squared minus 2 times x cubed minus 6 all over 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3 times dy over dx. No? So, rearranging yung terms, this is dy over dx is equal to 3x squared minus 2x cubed minus 6 over 2x plus 3 all over 2x plus 3. Okay? And here, we can just simply simplify yung ating expression. So, dy over dx is equal to 3x squared times 2x plus 3 minus 2 times x cubed minus 6 all over 2x plus 3 all squared. No? So, dy over dx is equal to 4x cubed plus 9x squared plus 12 all over 2x plus 3 squared. Okay? So, this is how we do implicit differentiation. Okay? So, see you in the next video.